Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Windows 11 search bar is not working. So first of all, what you need to do here is press Windows and I key, or right click on Windows icon here, and then you need to go to settings. Then you need to go to personalization here. Then you need to scroll down until you see taskbar. Then you need to look for search and make sure it's not hidden. It can be search icon and label, search box, or search icon only. It really doesn't matter, but do not select this option here that is hide. Then you need to go to privacy and security. Then you need to press on search. Scroll down until you see advanced indexing options. Or not this one, I'm sorry. It will be another one. Let me check. Yes, this is the option, advanced indexing option. Then you need to go to advanced, and then here under the index settings, you need to select rebuild here and press OK, right? And after that, you can close this. Next thing, open up, right click your Windows icon here, or press Control Shift Escape, and then go to Task Manager. And then you need to look for Windows Explorer, and then you just need to restart it, and then look if the problem persists and search icon is working or not. Next thing, right click on Windows icon again, then you need to go to and press on run. Then you need to write services .msc. Click on one of the tasks here and press W until you see Windows search. As you can see here, Windows search, right click on it, go to properties, make sure it's on automatic, and then make sure server status is running. If it's not running, press start and run it. And then after you do so, right click again and restart this task, all right? And the last thing what I suggest to do here is to right click on Windows icon here, then you need to go to Task Manager, and then you need to run new task, write CMD, and then make sure to create this task with administrative privileges, press OK, and then here you need to write CFC /scan now, one word, and basically complete the scan, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. So that's pretty much it.